This 2023 Winnebago Solis 59PX is a Class B RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features a Nomad Natural, weathered teak interior, sleeps 4, water heater, spare tire kit, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, LP detector, stovetop burner, refrigerator, external shower, smoke detector, skylight, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features loft, rear bedroom. This 2023 Winnebago Solis 59PX is built on a ProMaster 3500 chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.